Hey guys, this is my Porsche. I've been working on it for quite a while, and I changed the timing belt. I don't know if you can see here. I changed the water pump, timing belt, and the balance shaft belt. And I have this belt right here. This belt, that's the serpentine belt to run the AC compressor and the alternator. This is here, the alternator, and down you see the AC compressor. And every time I connect the belt, the car cranks, the engine cranks, but it doesn't start. If I take off the belt, it's gonna start. Let me show you what I mean. Now the belt is on, right? See the belt? It's on. I'm gonna put the camera over here so you can see what's going on. Probably like this. Like this, probably good. Alright, now, so what happens, let me take the belt off and see what's going to happen. Okay, now the belt is off. This is the crankshaft pulley, and that is the AC compressor. You see that? There's no belt. Now let me try to start the car. Okay, you see the car started. Everything is okay. Here is the crankshaft. And this is the crankshaft. This is the balance shaft belt and the timing belt. I just replaced. Yeah, everything is fine. Doesn't seem to have any problem whatsoever when I take off the belt. You see, this is exhaust. I know it's crazy, but what you guys think? Yep, I'm having this problem since like 2 months and I don't know what to do. Alright, so just give me your opinion on what I need to do. Thank you.